So yun, a quick case study lang. Ito is a home decor brand na hinahandle ko, and they are actually specializing in luxurious and high quality bedding and home textile. So we increased their sales and ROAS with effective Facebook advertising. So yung background, before partnering with me, they've been relying on a mix of organic and paid marketing efforts to drive sales at saka to send traffic to their website. However, syempre may mga challenges sila like lack of targeted marketing and low conversion rates. As we can see, napataas natin yung kanilang total sales to 96%. That's from October 1 to January 4 compared to June 27 to September 30. And then so if we'll check their ROAS during that period, it's only 1.78, and parang halos break-even lang sila. Then, nung hinandle ko na yung campaign nila, it's a massive 6.38 sa ROAS, and bumaba yung cost per action or per purchase namin. Most of our winning ads are carousel, a catalog using a carousel format, and a collection ad. So, lahat ng winning ads, we just duplicate it and promote other categories. So, sa testing period, nag-test kami ng different categories per interest, and all of those winners are being stacked on a CBO campaign, and we're just gradually increasing the budget. And then, the Advantage Plus shopping na recently na-apply dito sa ad account na to is actually doing really well. It's this one, the Boxing Day sale at saka yung evergreen namin na campaign, which generated 205 purchases na 9.69 ROAS. So, amount spent is just 3K. So, yan. So, as a conclusion, our targeted ad and effective campaigns help this brand achieve the impressive results and significantly improve their advertising efforts. So, proud ako to have played a role in this brand success, and nag-look forward talaga ako to continuing work with them in the future. Ayun. So, thank you for watching. And if you know brands or e-com brands internationally and interested in learning more on about how I can help your business grow with Facebook ads, then don't hesitate to contact me.